Hi, my name's Ekello Herod, and this is Ekello Photo. And boy, I have a new toy. Hi, my name's Ekello Herod, and this is Ekello Photo, where we teach you how to be the best director of photography that you can possibly be. And guess what? I've got a new, amazing, wonderful tool to help me with this channel and with the general filmmaking that I like to do. I can kind of put this thing anywhere, and it was not cheap, but it wasn't expensive either. My name's Ekello Herod, and let's talk about the DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action. It's not a GoPro, but it plays one on TV because of this cool little case. It pops right out, and it's got a screen on the back and on the front. That is blowing my mind. And here it is. Look at this thing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, this is a very versatile little camera. You can hook it up to a little cage like this. It came in the case. What I did was I took it out of the case and kind of fiddled with it in its kind of bare bones sort of configuration. From what I understand, it should fit almost all the GoPro stuff that's going to come in. But if it doesn't, I have this little adapter cage so that I can now put this adapter cage back on it, and it has the little screwy things that pretty much every GoPro accessory has. And you can clamp this, and it's waterproof up to 11 meters. And I'm sorry, I don't think I'm going any farther down than 11 meters. You know, that's like, Alexa, how many feet are 11 meters?
11 meters is about 36 feet 1 inch.
36 feet. I'm not going down 36 feet. Not in Hawaii. Not now. Not ever. So, that ought to work out pretty well for just using this and all of the accessories for GoPro. And all I have to do is keep the little case thing on there, and I am golden. All right. Future me here. Okay, I've already gone out and I've gotten the accessories and I've gotten to use it, and I have a wee bit of correction. So, if we think about the camera cage as the unifier, it's the thing that actually kind of takes you to the next level. So this particular, it's a 50-in-1 Neewer accessory kit. I will probably try and figure out a way to get that linked up in the description below. I haven't done any of that yet, but I will try to get that done. And because it uses the same little bracket right here and that it's waterproof, I don't need a special case to make it waterproof. It is waterproof. Then I put the little out cage around it, and then I can hook GoPro accessories up, one of which has a 1/4". And then I hook it into any tripod. That's literally any tripod. And I can do time lapses and things like that. I'm very excited. I'm very, very happy with what I'm getting from this. And I took it to the dog park today, and now let's look at my little vlog of today's activities and the other day when I went to Costco too. You can just kind of see me do my thing. All right, let's get that rolling. All right, I'm in Costco with a mask on, with a whole bunch of televisions playing right to the side of me, and I'm seeing how well this is doing. It does look like it's smoothly moving behind me, and I'm just like in the center. I do love that. It's a perfect day to go to the park. Perfect. Isn't it, Daisy? It's like almost sunny. It's not quite sunny. This ought to be a lot of fun. Look at that, Seattle police. Oh, hey baby. What are you doing over here? Maybe we'll go to the other park. We'll go to our side of the park. Let's go this way. Let's see. Okay, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you happy now? What is that over there? We're gonna have to check some stuff out. Here's the plan. Daisy gets a walk. We found out what this big circle thing is over here. And let's take a little video of it. Why don't we? On my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, forever to be known on this channel as the 6K Pro. Okay, now after all of that, it's time to finally talk about price. It is not an expensive friggin' camera. $189 refurbished on Amazon. And you know what was refurbished about it? Was that it was crumpled up in the box. The box got crumpled a little. And so I think the person who took it went, I don't want this. It's crumpled. And therefore, that's how that ended. I can't even believe it. It's just kind of anyway. So I got this for $189, and then you can get all those accessories for like $34. And all of the accessories are things like head straps and the telescoping thing so that you can hang it and make it look at you so that you can look like your head biking and stuff. It's pretty funny. I am really enjoying this accessory kit, and it's like a lot of really useful things that will make this camera very useful on Hawaii. And I can't wait to show you all of the footage between my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, forever to be known on this channel as the 6K Pro, and my new DJI Osmo Action. And my M50. I'm bringing that along so that I can do photography with my M50. As much as I love my 5D Mark IV, my 5D Mark II, it is a beast and very big. So therefore, no, not bringing it. I need to do a travel video, a video on how I travel and what I bring when I travel. And I bring too much stuff, so I'm going to pare it down so that I can be a responsible YouTuber and show you the correct way to take a big load of stuff on a trip. As a matter of fact, I think I might do that. I might, as I do my packing, I'll do a little video while I pack. Maybe set up something right here and light it well. I have a little desk that I can set up right here. I think I will. And we'll get that straight. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this little video about the DJI Osmo Action. And I hope that you will come back soon to Ikello Photo, where we are here to teach you how to be the best director of photography that you can possibly be. My name's Ikello Herod. Like, subscribe, and do me the biggest of favors. And love the camera that you're with. Talk to you soon. You gonna leave? You're gonna leave? Oh, you don't have to leave. You don't have to leave. As a matter of fact, I really am. I'm enjoying your company. Anyway.